What you wanna know, what you wanna know, what you wanna know about me. I'm still over here, the end of doing my thing, and I wanna know when up and on the beat. I wanna know your name and I wanna say your name and I wanna know the word about me. Saying everybody's over here, to do you wanna know the what you really wanna know about me? I seen the hashtag the one, but do you even say your name and I wanna know it all about me. Saying the Lord is in the house of doing what you do, and you know the what it's all about me. Saying the big bruise the shoulder, yes, it's doing on the shoulder if you really wanna know about me. Got the cabinet, the garden in the house to the day, and you wanna know it all about me. Saying the A, do you know? Do you even know the what about me? Saying the A, I wanna know. Saying the do you wanna know about me? Saying the when you finish cooking over there, and every time and when you wanna know what I wanna be. Saying the love son you're cooking for the soul plus more when you really wanna know about me. Saying the DT whole 23 TV, do you really wanna know what it is? All the people that I'm saying they name over here, that if you really wanna know what it is. Saying do you know? Do you really wanna know the what it is? I'm still over here again doing my thing. Do you really wanna know about me? Saying do you wanna know about me today when I put the youth up and on the beat? Saying the people looking up and looking around when they really wanna know about me. Saying to me better, I'ma say your name and I wanna know what it's gonna be. Saying to swoop like me over here in the industry, saying do you know about me? Saying the rhyme trying to aim with six to everything game, do you even wanna know what it is? Saying the most hated run, fight the power God, do you really wanna know about me? You know about me, you know about me. Now do you even really wanna know about me? You know about me, you know about me. Oh really, do you really know about me? So know about me, you know about me. Some people talk about it, do you know about me? You know about me, you know about me. Some people's over here, do you know about me? Saying the love time you're looking for the soul plus more, and I know that you know about me. Saying the shade loving in the house, show me some love, and I guess do you know about me? Saying the AT, that's 7 8 in the house, and I guess do you know about me? Saying the spirit with the sassy in the house, saying do you even know about me? So do you even know? Do you know? Do you even know the all about me? I when I do my flow, I do my flow. Saying do you even know about me? So when I'm keeping up and down, when I'm keeping around, do you even know the all about me? Everybody living over here in the streets, and now you saying do you even know what's me? Saying do you know about me? Do you know about me? When I'm keeping it up in the streets. Talking about the other people's in the house today, saying I guess do you know about me? So do you know? Do you even know? So do you even know? Do you know about me? And I still I'm over here, the one to doing my thing, do my things over here. Do you know about me? Saying do you know what? Do you know about me? Let me talk about it. Do you know me? Calling me the J every time when I say your name. When I'm here just to know about me. You know about me in the streets, what you think of other people. Do you know about me? Started from the bottom just to working over here to the top, but I'm still just to know about me. I'm trying to learn myself, so I'm doing these songs every time. Do you even know about me? Then the other people just living over here, but you still wanna know about me. Then do you know about me? Do you know about me? Do you even know about me? Then everybody's over here today saying, do you even know about me? Saying, do you even know? Do you even know? Do you even know about me? Do you even really know about me? When I say, do you even wanna know about me? Now I'm the J, saying, do you even wanna know me? Do you even know about me? Do you know about me when I put it up and don't let me? Do you even really wanna know about me today when I put it up and in these streets? Talking about the people in the house and when I'm showing some love. When I do you even know about me? Do you know about me? Do you even know about me?